Want to save $1,500 in just 3 months without giving up your coffee, subscriptions, or lifestyle? Most people think saving this much is impossible, but I'll show you how to do it step by step without feeling restricted. Let's face it, saving money can be stressful. Many Americans struggle because traditional budgets feel too restrictive. You either feel guilty spending or you abandon your savings plan completely. But there's a smarter, realistic way to save $1,500 in just 3 months without giving up the things you love. Step 1. Track every dollar you spend. Most people waste hundreds on small purchases without realizing it. Start by writing down every expense for a week, or even better, use an app like Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard. This simple step gives you full visibility of your money and identifies where you can cut back. For example, you might be spending $3 on a coffee every day. That's $90 a month or $270 in 3 months just on coffee. When you see it written down, it's much easier to make smart adjustments. Step 2. Automate your savings. The best way to save consistently is to never see the money. Set up an automatic transfer of $125 per week into a high-yield savings account. Over 12 weeks, you'll have your $1,500 without ever feeling the pinch. High-yield accounts like Ally or Marcus by Goldman Sachs earn more interest than a regular bank account. That's extra money working for you passively. Step 3. Cut small expenses that add up. You don't need to cancel all your subscriptions or give up coffee. Identify daily habits that cost $5 to $10. For example, making coffee at home instead of buying it out saves money without impacting your lifestyle. Let's break it down. $5 a day equals $150 a month. Over 3 months, that's $450 towards your $1,500 goal. Imagine combining multiple small cuts, dining out, snacks, unnecessary subscriptions. You can reach $1,500 faster than you think. Step 4. Add a small side hustle to accelerate your savings. You don't need a full-time second job. Small gigs like freelancing, selling unused items online, or driving for delivery apps can easily generate $50 to $100 per week. Even $50 extra per week adds $600 in 3 months. Combined with your automated savings and small daily cuts, you can exceed $1,500 in record time. Step 5. Track your progress and celebrate wins. Motivation is key to sticking with any savings plan. Use a visual tracker or app to see your balance grow week by week. Reward yourself when you hit milestones without overspending. For example, when you reach $500 saved, treat yourself to something small, like a movie night. Positive reinforcement keeps your momentum going. Let's recap. Track every dollar, automate your savings, cut small expenses without sacrifice, boost with a small side hustle, track progress, and celebrate wins. Combine these strategies and you can save $1,500 in just 3 months without feeling restricted. The key is consistency and small, smart changes. Now it's your turn. Start implementing these tips today and watch your savings grow. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell to get more personal finance tips that actually work. Bonus tip: automate a little extra whenever you get unexpected income. Tax refunds, gifts, bonuses, every extra dollar counts toward your $1,500 goal. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be painful. It just takes smart planning and consistency.